Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking prerequisites that matter: power, network, and admin rights. Once confirmed, mount modules in the prescribed order and attach the bus cable. You minimize wiring errors this way. Then open the Only Way app and select the physical wall ID to provision. Make sure to keep the controller within Bluetooth range during initial pairing, because lost connectivity will pause device discovery and require repeating steps. Once devices appear, run the auto scan to detect modules and assign clear names and zones so you can find them quickly later. Next, configure inputs. Set thresholds, debounce, and timing rules to avoid false triggers. Preview changes using the simulator, because seeing behavior prevents costly misconfigurations. Then build your control flow by adding triggers, conditions, and outputs, connecting nodes with drag and drop. This maps how the system behaves predictably in production. You finish by saving the configuration and pushing it to the wall, then run a complete test cycle using real inputs so you validate end-to-end behavior. Make sure to watch logs and the metric stream to capture anomalies and record baseline performance figures for future comparison. If something fails, isolate the affected module first, then reflash firmware or swap the bus cable as needed. This targeted approach fixes most issues without rebuilding the entire setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.